Have to come across with commonly used idioms while watching American TV shows or series? English expressions and idioms are widespread used in everyday English, both written and spoken. Sometimes it can be difficult to know all of them, but idioms are fun. It's often called a manner of speaking but sounds more native, so I think that it's very useful to master some of these expressions. Hello lovely English learners and welcome to my channel Lingualana. In this lesson I'm going to talk about the top 20 common English idioms with their meanings and sentence examples. If you want to sound more like native, boost your vocabulary, watch this video up to the very end. Prior to start, don't forget to subscribe and switch on all notifications in order not to miss the next lessons. So, if you're ready, let's get straight into it. And here is the first idiom. The bird in the hand is better than two in the bush. It means that an opportunity in hand is better than prospect in the future, because time never repeats itself. And here is the example. The detective apprehended 3 criminals and saw another one running but didn't chase him because she knew that a bird in the hand better than 2 in the bush. Chip of the old block. It means that a person is similar in behavior to their parents.
Chip off the old block.
And here is the example. One grandmother saw her grandson collecting coins like her son used to do. She knew that he was the chip of the old block. The next idiom is very funny. That's one of my favorite one. By the way, do you like dairy products? Of course, this idiom is about milk. Don't cry over spilt milk.
No use crying over spilt milk.
This means that don't regret or don't cry over something that has happened and cannot be fixed. And here is the example. Jack failed his examination, but his father came and said only one thing. Son, don't cry over spilt milk. By the way, do you like crying over spilt milk? Drop in the comments your answer. And we are close to the idiom number 4. Every cloud has a silver lining.
In a way, he decided every cloud has a silver lining.
That means bad things one day eventually lead to good things. And of course, here is the example for you. See, yesterday you were very upset, but look at you today. You got a promotion, and it's rightly to say that every cloud has a silver lining. The next idiom, I like it as well. Beside yourself with joy. That means to be extremely happy. And here is the example for you. I can see that you're beside yourself in joy on being selected for the job. Congratulations! Next idiom is about rhymes. Do you like rhymes? For example, fair and square.
Fair and square.
The meaning is being direct or fair. And here is the example for you. To tell you fair and square, I did everything that I was meant to do, but I still feel unfulfilled. A black sheep. These idioms can be used talking about someone who is a disgrace for the family. And here is the example.
But every family has a black sheep.
They don't talk about Mike anymore. That turns out he was the black sheep for the family. This idiom can be a little bit offensive for that person. If you feel tired and about to give up, you may say down for the count. I'm down for the count after making 5 videos. Yes, that's hard. Draw the line. That's not about paying. That's about to stop before something okay gets not okay.
I draw the line.
Hey buddy, that's enough. Draw the line before someone comes and beats you to a pulp. Learning English is easier said than done. You may use this idiom when something is not as easy as it appears to be. Break a leg. That's not about wishing somebody to break a leg literally. That's saying good luck to someone.
Break a leg.
Hey Barry, that's time for you to get on the stage and say your monologue. Break a leg. Go the extra mile. That means to make an extra effort. And here is the example. Dear colleagues, we have to go the extra mile to close the task up to the end of this month. If you feel that you are stuck on the pre-intermediate level, for example, of English, I would say to you, step up your game. It means that you should start performing learning English better.
Step up your game.
Step up your game. Or next one, that's very funny one, crying wolf, meaning to ask someone about help when you really don't need it. You have cried wolf so many times that no one believes you now. Crying wolf. Why this idiom sounds like that? There is no connection with the real wolf, but still this idiom is nice. What about how do you like this idiom? I have bigger fish to fry. But really I don't like fish, I like meat. This idiom is about something that you have more important to do.
We have bigger fish to fry.
Please don't bother me today with any calls because I have bigger fish to fry. Sounds like a tongue twister. Bigger fish to fry, bigger fish to fry, bigger fish to fry. Learning English is a piece of cake. Of course, that's not true because that's not easy. The idiom a piece of cake means so easy task. By the way, is learning English as a piece of cake for you? Next idiom, hit the sack. That means go to sleep. Or it's time, let's call it a day, it's time to hit the sack.
Now let's hit the sack.
Play by the ear. I like it. Yeah, the meaning, do something spontaneously, to improvise. For example, I went to Canada and I did everything by the ear. No plans, no schedules. Yeah, sometimes it's very good to improvise, to do something by the ear, but sometimes not. Sometimes it can turn up a little bit difficult to be spontaneous and your plan may just fall down. You can say that again. No, that's not about asking for repeating something. That's about absolute truth.
You could say that again!
Learning English on YouTube is very useful. You can say that again. Learning English with Lingualana is precious. You can say that again. At the 11th hour. To be honest, I don't know why this idiom sounds like that at the 11th hour, not at the 13th, 14th hour, but still at the 11th hour. This idiom means to do something at the last moment. And here is the example for you. I usually prepare for my business trips at the 11th hour. I have to do something with that. So practice some of these idioms in the comments, make sentences with your favorite ones, and boost your vocabulary to sound more like natives. Thank you for watching this video up to the very end and see you on the next lessons. Bye bye.